First, pour in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then your 4 teaspoons of baking powder, then your 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and last but not least, put in your 1 tablespoon of white sugar and then stir. Set aside your flour mixture. Then, in a new bowl, crack in your 2 eggs, then whisk together. After you're done whisking it, then you're going to place 1 3/4 cups of milk into the bowl and then whisk it again. Then you're going to add in your 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then stir it again. And then after you're done whisking it, you're going to pour in the liquid mixture into the flour mixture, and then we're going to stir it again. Now for the almond flour recipe, you're going to place in 2 cups of almond flour, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then for my sweetener I use 2 packets of Stevia. You don't have to use that. You can use white sugar or brown sugar or whatever sugar you want, but since it's kind of like I'm using almond flour, I kind of want it to be a little more healthier, so I used 2 packs of Stevia. Now you're going to whisk the dry ingredients together. Once you're done whisking it, then you're going to set it aside, and then you're going to crack 3 eggs into a different bowl and then whisk it. Then you're going to add in your 2 cups of milk and your 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and then whisk it again. After you're done whisk your liquid mixture, now it's time to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then whisk it again. Then pour it into your flour mixture and then whisk it again. After I whisked it, I noticed that the mixture was too liquidy. So I added another 1 cup of almond flour until it was thick. And then now we're going to go on to the next step. Once you finish mixing your mixture, now pour into the container so you're able to pour it into your waffle iron. And then now we're going to preheat our waffle iron and start cooking our waffles. Once your waffle iron is done preheating, now it's time to use a cooking spray to spray your waffle iron. Then you're going to pour in your batter into the waffle iron. Fill it up into all the way to the top, and then close it, and then let it cook. I started with the original batter, the original waffle batter, and then I'm gonna show you the other almond flour batter, and then I'm gonna show you the finishing, what it look like in the finishing. So this is the almond flour batter, and now I'm really taking it out, and now this is what it looks like when it's coming out of the waffle iron. Now since the almond flour is a very light flour, it's gonna come very soft, so when you're taking it out it might break, so trial and error. That's it. That's how you make an almond flour waffle and an original waffle. The original waffle is on the left and the almond flour waffle is on the right. Share in the comments below of which one you like best, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and that's it. See you next time.